Yeah. He told me that they wanted $2,200 to reach the front seat. Well, yeah, basically. Well, I think you're right. I know the guy that's working for me, working for other guys in the car brother. And they're the one that is the car. Don't around.
I was really disappointed in the showing Monday.
Yeah.
I thought we'd have more people.
I thought so too. Assistance League. Oh, they got a list of a bunch of cars. Baseball, June 15th. We'll see. I don't know. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, buddy.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
We love it.
Thank you.
When I first walked up, I saw free beer, but I didn't see tomorrow.
The fine
until
print.
just
It's all in the fine print.
That's awesome. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're enjoying it.
Yes.
They went by quick.
like, it wouldn't be bad if it's in the fall, but I could see that getting filled with
Yeah.
this.
See,
It's gonna grow.
I complained to her because to go to the bathroom here, you have to sign in, do a questionnaire, and then put a mask on. I took it last time, but then last year they had that.
Black cherry, all right. Shade, kind of.
Yeah, it changes color in the sun.
Colors it. Yeah, the sun's shining through. You can see the black cherry. Beautiful. Very expensive paint job.
Excuse me.
Sure. It's gorgeous.
Put a bid on all of them. Yeah, don't be shy. They'll be happy to go home with you. Real knockoffs. Look at that.
All funds are frozen.
Even though I have a Cobra, I always have to film the Cobras.
I know, I saw that.
Maybe right here looking at these, right? Right. They sound like a cat yelling.
I got a red 58 limit. I've had it for 25 years now. And this white sign here, that's the road. That's a fun car to drive. I got stock numbers on it. Going down the road line. You know, I used to race it. We used to throw such a car and then I U-2'd it down, dropped it on the ground and took all the race gear over for it and died. I still do a little figure.